Hey, what's up, everybody? So I'm very excited today because I'm going to show you how you can create your own website or your own blog in just a matter of moments. It's very easy to do, and I'm going to walk you through the whole process here, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So here I am at the Bluehost homepage. This is the hosting provider that I use. They've been wonderful in my years of blogging. So it's bluehost.com, as you can see here. Makes it very easy. There's a big green button where you click Get Started Now. So there we go, Get Started Now, and that will bring us to the next screen, which is Sign Up Now. Now you have two choices here. You can do a new domain and have all the domain registry and all that piece done by Bluehost, or you can have your own domain, like from a third party, such as GoDaddy or somebody like that. You can go do your domain over there. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use the Bluehost service, and I'm going to take my Crazy Dad Life. So I'm going to type that in, Crazy Dad Life, but I'm going to choose, since I already have the .com, I'm going to do the .net this time. So I click my crazydadlife.net, and what it's going to do is it's going to go out and check to see if that's an available domain. It comes back and it says, yes, it is available. The domain you have requested, crazydadlife.net, is available. So then I have to enter my account information, as you can see here. So I'll go ahead and do that. Jeff Stevens, no business name is optional. Type in my information for the house. And you won't see this in the recording for my own sake. Okay, so I got my personal information in, my account information. Now I'm going to the package information. So now I want to know what sort of plan I want. So looking at this, I want to do just a 12-month plan. I'm going to try it out just for a year, see if I like it. I don't need Site Backup Pro. I can do other backup programs for that. Domain security, I don't need this for now. And then for domain privacy protection, I do like to do this. If you look at more information, it shows you that what your information would be out there to the world if they wanted to look you up on something like Whois. So I do usually do that just to hide my personal information. So there is the $9.99 per year, so that's not too bad. So I select that as part of the package. Now I'm going to enter my billing information. Then you make sure that you have confirmed that you have read and agreed to the terms of service. You can look those up if you'd like. And then I'm going to hit Next. So the next page that comes about is to select the upgrades that best suit your needs. Do I want to transfer a website? No, I don't think so. Do I want a dedicated IP? Nope, not at this time. A quick start coaching session? I think I can do without. A positive SSL cert? I think I'll pass on that. And any additional domain names, if you'd want to grab other ones like crazydadlife.org, which I'm not going to do at this moment. I can always come back and do that later. The mobile website builder, no thank you. I'm going to do my own website stuff. And SEO link building, again, I can get those services elsewhere. So with that, my upgrade total is 0, and I'm going to complete this order. So just like that, I have completed the purchase. I have my website, crazydadlife.net, registered now, and the information has been sent to my email. And I can choose a password for my account now. So I create that password, and this is the password that we use for the account management once I log in. And there we go. So now I am ready to log in. Now I'm at the login page, and I can type in my domain or my username. And if you remember, my domain name was crazydadlife.net. Enter the password that we just created and log in. No, I do not want to remember it at this point. So this is your main page under Bluehost. This is where your admin is. There's a quick start. You can learn more. Some other tools down here if you want to dig into them. But really, you want to go to your home. You can get rid of the little pop-up dialog. And now this is where all your main features are listed. So you have your email. You have install WordPress, which we're about to do in a minute. And then you have File Manager, which is important when you want to actually edit the files on the server, on the third-party Bluehost server. And then you have some domain management here. So what we're going to do first is install WordPress. And at the same time, we could jump over and enter a whole new page. And we can come up to crazydadlife.net. And see, nothing is there. It's just a Bluehost blank page. So this is the install of WordPress, switching back over to that tab. It's very simple. You go out to the install WordPress. It brings you to this site. You hit install. Which domain would you like to install? crazydadlife.net. This is checking the domain to make sure that everything is good. You then proceed. We're going to show advanced options. And what we're going to do here is we're going to put the site name. We're going to call it crazydadlife.net. Use the username and our password. Let's change our password. Let's change our password for this minute, just password 123, because you know I'm not going to keep that password. And say I've read the terms and conditions, and I'm going to install. So at this point, WordPress is installed. As you can see at the top, we're setting up WordPress for you. You can see the progress up top. You could find a theme if you wanted to browse out and look for different types of themes, and that's just the way that your website. It's like a template where your website can use different themes to render the information for your WordPress. But I'm going to go ahead and close that, and you can just watch the process of the actual installation of WordPress. And just like that, your install is complete. You can view the credentials if you'd like. It says "Howdy, Crazy Dad." This is all your installation information, your installation credentials. Access your new WordPress site. So if you just go out to the crazydadlife.net or to log into the actual site and see the dashboard within WordPress, you can go out and do the crazydadlife.net/WP-admin. And then your username and password we just did. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's click on that guy. We'll go out to the actual login piece. We'll type in crazydadlife. Oh, no, that's my actual email. And then I'm going to do my password that I set up, which was password123 for this case. I'm going to log in, say not now for remembering it. And now we're at the main dashboard of our website. So this is all good, right? So now we have our page. You can go up here to visit the site, and this will pull up your actual crazydadlife.net, and you're already there. So you can see anybody that browses to crazydadlife.net will now see this page. This is the beginning of your blog. So with that, that is it. You now have a website up. If I go open up another tab and just browse out to crazydadlife.net, there's my website. I can close all these guys out, and I can go back to the actual admin, and if you'd like, I can go to the dashboard. I can do a new post. I can go to that hello world, and I can edit that guy, and I can say, let's change this to hello world. Welcome to the new and, well, actually not improved yet, the new crazydadlife.net site. What is called that? This site is awesome, and you just don't know it yet. And what you do is you come over here and you hit update. That updates that post. So now that is our new post. If I go out to the website now, crazydadlife.net, now you can see the updates already applied. So, and you can start playing around with WordPress, and I'm sure that there will be other tutorials that I'll do as far as updating your WordPress site. But this now has your website up live on the internet. Congratulations. As always, jump over to crazydadlife.com and join in the conversation with building online in the off hours. Thanks, guys.